checked out from our hotel in Zurich and we are going to catch the train to Zermatt. So here's how we got to Zermatt from Zurich. Super easy and honestly one of the most scenic routes in Switzerland. We took a train from Zurich HB to Visp, which takes about 2 hours. From Visp, you hop onto another train straight to Zermatt. That's another 1 hour ride, with just 7 minutes in between to switch the trains. The whole trip cost around 140 Swiss francs, but we used the Swiss half fare card and got it for roughly 70 francs. Totally worth it. সুইজারল্যান্ডের ট্রেনে বসে সুইস অ্যালপসের ভিউ দেখতে দেখতে মুখরোচক চানাচুর খাচ্ছেন।
People often call Kashmir Switzerland of India, and yes, it's stunning in its own way, but Switzerland, well, it's a different kind of magic. With its majestic train rides and snow-dusted views, it's an experience that stays with you long after you leave. Hello. In the previous train, we were having our Mukhorochok Chanachur from Kolkata in Switzerland. And now from that train, we have jumped onto the train to Zermatt. And Zermatt.
Yes.
And this is the view.
Finally reached Zermatt. How are you feeling?
Feeling thanda. It's very cold, and it's filled with snow and lots of nice views.
So we are heading towards our hotel and we are just trying to figure out transport that we need to take. Once you arrive at Zermatt station, here's something interesting. The entire town is car-free. So to get to your hotel, you will need to take one of these cute little electric taxis that will spot right outside the station. The ride usually costs around 60 Swiss francs depending on how far your stay is. And honestly, it's such a fun and smooth way to begin your Zermatt experience. So we have reached Zermatt Youth Hostel. It's over here and this is the view. Just look at it. So we have just come out of our hotel and exploring the local cafes and restaurants in Zermatt.
And we arrived at Cafe Dupont.
So we thought of exploring fondue here, but it is extremely expensive. So we thought of trying out local specialities, which is raclette. So it looks something like this: cheese, potatoes,
Pickles.
what is this?
Pickles.
Yeah.
That's all.
There's something unreal about waking up here in Zermatt. You open the window and suddenly the world outside feels frozen in time. The rooftops look like they have been sprinkled with sugar. The air feels sharper, calmer, and for a second you forget everything else. And can we talk about breakfast with a view like this? I mean, coffee in one hand, mountains in the background, fresh snow everywhere. It doesn't get more Swiss than this. Honestly, I think mornings should always look like this. Even a short walk outside felt magical. The sound of snow crunching under your shoes, the cold brushing your face, the stillness all around. Good morning from Zermatt. Currently, I am having ristretto, standing in between the Alps. Good morning. So, this is our day 2 in Zermatt. We just headed out to explore Gornergrat and the Toblerone mountain. Matterhorn. Right.
Now let's talk about how to reach the top of Gornergrat. We took the Gornergrat Bahn, the highest open-air cogwheel railway in Europe. We booked our tickets directly from the station, but you can book it online as well. For the two of us, the total cost came around 100 Swiss francs, thanks to the half-fare card. So just a quick tip, if you're taking the half-fare option, make sure you have a digital copy of your half-fare card, as it gets scanned and verified along with your ticket every single time you onboard a train. We are at the Gornergrat train, way up at almost 60 degrees towards Gornergrat. And it's extremely cold outside. It's almost close to minus, but but inside the train it's
Very warm.
extremely comfy and a bit too warm.
And that's the reason we have opened our jackets and we are relaxing. And let me show you
enjoying the view.
Yeah, let me show you the view.
Nächster Halt, next stop, Findelbach.
We are standing at 30-degree inclination due to some technical difficulties. And just as we reached Gornergrat, we met the cutest little local, the alpine chalk. This tiny black bird was happily posing with everyone, completely unbothered by the cold or the crowd. You know, growing up, I'd seen it 100 times, Raj and Simran running through the Swiss Alps, laughter echoing through the snow. And I used to think someday I'll be there too. And here I am, years later, standing in the same white wonderland. Only this time it's not a movie, it's real. We danced in the snow, carefree, just like the films taught us to. But this moment, this was ours. Our story written in the same mountains that once belonged to a dream.
We are at one of the cafes at the top of Gornergrat and we have ordered some food. Let's
Actually,
see.
there are vegan and vegetarian options. So we have ordered falafel, french fries, and
One quartini.
pork.
This one.
Yeah.
And we'll have this with the view of the mountains. I'm having this mini falafel with tartar sauce. Teriyaki sauce. And here comes the jumbo french fries with tartar sauce. So, french fries are very hot and even the falafel is hot and tasty. So we are having a good time here.
And of course, when in Switzerland, you have to do the classic DDLJ train scene. Hands out, hearts racing, Raj and Simran style. So we are done with our activities of today. Now we came to a grocery store in Zermatt, nearby Zermatt station. We'll pick up some food to have dinner tonight because yesterday we forgot to pick up from the grocery store and it was closed by 7 p.m. So let's see what we can find. What are we going to get from here?
We'll get some veg pizza, which we can eat in
And
one
what did we get already? 2 packets of chips, tiramisu, this is some cone, and this is some dessert, and our most favorite wine. Just cost how much?
Around 2.
Just 2 fries. Let's take the pizza. Then dinner is sorted. Which one? Yes.
This one.
That one is 7 francs.
This is 5.
5 francs. Take 7 Yes. Happy.
Now it's time for some chocochino. We found this in Switzerland and we loved it. So if you are here, you must try this. If you enjoyed watching till here, do like, share and subscribe. It supports us.